Having access to the internet can change lives, economies, and communities for the better. 2020 will be viewed as a communications singularity, a single moment in time when the entire world is connected to the internet.
We are thriving in the digital renaissance, where the power of one voice can be heard by millions instantaneously, where every song and book and work of art can be available to all in any language.
Some view internet access as a fundamental human right.
The more people that are connected, the better we can harness the collective energies of the human race.
What of our brothers and sisters who live in the far-flung parts of the world, or those who don't live in big, vibrant cities? How will they join this great revolution of learning, sharing ideas, and creating this great standard of living?
Geeks Without Frontiers is working closely with our colleagues at Google, the Tides Foundation, and Global Connect, and we think we have cost-effective, practical solution to connect the entire planet to the internet.
We believe we can help 1 billion new people to join the internet and global conversation using specialized metropolitan and village-wide Wi-Fi.
Over the last 2 years, we've developed cost-effective and practical open-source Wi-Fi software for rural and metropolitan areas. It's called Mesh Wi-Fi because it casts itself like a net across whole towns and villages. This Wi-Fi standard is called the 802.11s protocol, and it has been recognized and IEEE certified as the world's official open source standard for mesh network Wi-Fi.
Open source means software or technology that is instantly available to the world for free, allowing users to harness the power of community development.
Our aim is to empower local entrepreneurs in villages and cities around the world to empower their own worlds and change the lives of those in their own villages and cities through the power of market forces and social enterprise. Not by aid, but the sustaining power of economics.
At Geeks Without Frontiers, we have created an initiative, B4B, to bring innovative Wi-Fi broadband to 1 billion people in village and rural areas. Our ecosystem of tools will enable broadband to go viral, creating a scalable and sustainable impact. We've also created the first stepping stone to delivering broadband worldwide with an initiative called Net 100, which is to create 100 demonstration sites of new mesh Wi-Fi technology. Once the 100 demonstration sites are fully operational, we'll then scale to the full Broadband for 1 Billion project.
The village Wi-Fi revolution is a global revolution.
At Geeks Without Frontiers, we invite you to join the revolution.
Lift billions of people out of the dark. Help us flip the switch and bring a ray of light to the rest of the world through global internet connectivity. Join us to make this vision a reality.